Hi guys, my name is Nidhi and welcome to College Dunia Study Abroad. Do you want to study in Canada but are confused about the eligibility, the process, how to start, which exam to give, which colleges to apply and which course to choose? Well, in this video, मैं आपको इन सारे questions के answer provide करने वाली हूँ. But still, in case you have more questions and want to have a detailed discussion, we have provided a link in the first line of the description below. Just click on it, submit your basic details and relax while our study abroad experts reach out to you in order to help you with absolutely everything regarding studying in Canada. All of these free of cost. Stay tuned till the end of this video. Give us your support by subscribing to this channel and liking this video and sharing it with your friends and preparation buddies. Let's start with the most important question. Why do most students prefer Canada or why should you aspire to study in Canada? ऐसा क्या है कनाडा में that it attracts so many international students? Well, इसका कोई एक specific answer नहीं है. It's a combination of multiple factors. Canada एक peace-loving country है which has a very good quality of life. There are many social benefits which are enjoyed by people of Canada. One of the most important reasons why students prefer Canada is its easy PR process. You go there and study and then you get work permit for up to 3 years. Post that you can try for the PR and once you get it, your life is set. Apart from these, the quality of education in Canada is excellent and students get ample research opportunities there at a very affordable rate of education. If we talk about the education system of Canada, it is quite different from India. Canada में आप या तो 12th के बाद जा सकते हैं for undergraduate studies या फिर graduation के बाद for postgraduate studies. Undergraduate studies में there are 4-year degree courses, 2-year diploma courses and 3-year advanced diploma courses. All Canadian universities and colleges require you to be 12th pass for undergraduate courses. For postgraduate programs, you have an option of 1-year certificate, a 2-year postgraduate diploma or a 1 or 2-year masters. Students with a 3-year graduation degree in India can opt for certificate and diplomas, and students with a 4-year graduation from India can opt for any program including masters. Some universities can offer you a master's with 3 years of graduation, but these are rare cases and the options are limited. Now comes the next major part. पढ़ना क्या है? अगर आपके दिमाग में clear है कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है, then you have earned our respect. Just stick to that and you will do pretty good in the years to come. But अगर आपने खुद को open रखा है थोड़ा explore करने के लिए, then that is also fine. If you are going for undergraduate courses, then the entire world is open for you. Just select any course of your choice and interest and study that. However, if you are going for postgraduate studies, then it is advisable कि आप वैसे courses choose करो जो आपको previous studies से sync होते हो. ऐसा मत करना कि graduation में engineering की है but post graduation में medicine pursue करनी है. इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर आपको कॉलेज ने ऑफर लेटर दे भी दिया तो आपको वीजा में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज अ ह्यूज करियर रेड फ्लैग. सो ऑलवेज गो फॉर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इन रिलेटेड एरियाज ऑफ स्टडी. कनाडा में पढ़ने के मेजरली 3 इंटेक्स होते हैं. सितंबर, जिसको हम फॉल इंटेक भी कहते हैं, जनवरी विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज विंटर इंटेक, या फिर मे विच इज द समर इंटेक. इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा कोर्सेज एंड कॉलेजेस ओपन रहते हैं सितंबर इंटेक में, वेयर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कॉलेजेस एक्सेप्ट एडमिशन. दिस इज द इंटेक व्हिच यू शुड बी टारगेटिंग एज इट इज द बिगेस्ट इंटेक एंड इसके एडवांटेजेस हमने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में डिस्कस किए हैं. जनवरी इंटेक इज द सेकेंड मेजर इंटेक एंड यहाँ कोर्सेज की चॉइस थोड़ी कम हो जाती है, followed by May intake where you have very less courses. In fact, many colleges do not offer any program in May intake. The applications for each intake open months before, so you have to be alert and you have to keep checking the website of the colleges to see if the forms are out or not. इसका एक simple and smarter solution है. Just hit the subscribe button right now and let us remind you of all dates and application deadlines directly in your notification and feeds. Now comes another big question. After you have decided the course and intake, it is time to look at कि आप किस college या university में पढ़ोगे. This is a tricky part as you just cannot go on applying to random colleges and universities क्योंकि there is an element of time and money involved. The average application fees in Canada ranges from 50 to 150 CAD, so you have to be careful here on selecting a few colleges to apply. Few important things to keep in mind while selecting a college or a university are: it should be a public college preferably, it should be a DLI or a designated learning institute, It should be in a good location. It should have co-op programs. It should give you flexibility to work part-time jobs. It should have a good campus life. It should have good extracurriculars and so forth. The parameters to select a good college are endless. To cut short this hassle for you, we make very detailed videos on every college possible in Canada. The link is in the description below. Check them out. But just to list out a few good colleges and universities, you can apply to the University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, McGill University, University of Alberta, University of Waterloo, University of Calgary, and University of Montreal. Usually, a university offers degrees and colleges offer diplomas and certificates, but this is not always the case. Few top colleges are Conestoga, Seneca, Lambton, Centennial, George Brown, Douglas, Humber, and Fanshawe. To apply for Canadian colleges, आपको appear होना होगा एक English proficiency test में. There are multiple tests accepted by colleges, but the most famous of them is IELTS. You will come across two types of IELTS, the IELTS General and IELTS Academic. You have to take the IELTS Academic and you should try to score above 7 in it. Some universities may ask you to appear for the GRE or GMAT for master's programs. Apart from these, you will need your 10th and 12th mark sheets, a copy of your passport, statement of purpose, and letter of recommendations to apply. For colleges, there is no fixed deadline and the seats are filled on a first-come, first-served basis, so it is advisable to apply as soon as the applications are open. For universities, the deadline of applying to September intake is usually till January, but कुछ universities March and April तक भी applications accept करती हैं. For January intake, the deadline is usually till October for universities. The fees of Canadian universities and colleges vary. Usually, colleges are cheaper than universities and diplomas are cheaper than degrees. The fees for a UG program ranges from 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs and for a PG program, the fees ranges from 7 lakhs to 23 lakhs. There are some more affordable courses which have fees as low as 1.5 lakhs. You can check that video by clicking on the link above. The average cost to stay in Canada ranges from 5 lakhs to 9 lakhs and this is entirely based on कि आपका lifestyle कैसा है. There are plenty of entry scholarships जो कि आप apply कर सकते हो for amounts ranging from 2000 CAD to entire tuition fee waiver, but these scholarships are very competitive and you should have an all-round profile to avail these. Also, to get these scholarships, it is advisable that you apply early. Now comes another important factor, the student visa application. इसके लिए you have to open a GIC account with around 10,000 CAD, pay the first year or first installment fees to the institution you are studying, get a medical checkup done and pay a processing fee of 150 CAD to the Canada High Commission. This process is very simple if you compare it to other countries. Your GIC account can be opened with any one of CIBC, ICICI Bank or Scotia Bank. If you are hearing these terms for the first time, don't be confused. We have a detailed video on the Canada student visa process. Click on the link above. To avoid last-minute hassle, we advise you to start your visa application at least 1 to 2 months before your course commencement. Another good part of Canada's education system is it allows you to earn while you are studying. You can work up to 20 hours every week off campus and for unlimited time on campus. This ensures that you get paid a decent amount to manage a major part of your expenses while you are in Canada. Another great advantage is co-op. So, अगर आपका कोर्स co-op eligible है तो आप officially किसी कंपनी में काम कर सकते हैं for 3 months to 1 year just like a full-time employee in between your studies. You get paid like a full-time employee as well. So Canada ensures that you are earning a decent amount even while you are studying. You get up to 3 years of work permit if you have pursued a course of 2 years or more. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will be sharing similar study guides for other countries as well in the days to come. And I hope this video was very useful and informative if you have made up your mind to study in Canada. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment sections below. Just follow the steps discussed today and you will be good to go in just a few months from now. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो do not forget to show us your love, hit the like and subscribe button. You know, almost 90% जनता जो हमारे वीडियोस देखती है, they do not end up subscribing to our channel. ऐसा क्यों करते हो guys? सब्सक्राइब करो, थोड़ा सा हमें भी मोटिवेट करो, दिल से अच्छा लगेगा. So that's all from my side. मिलते हैं super soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care of yourselves.